Hello, I welcome you once again to another edition of our learning program. Today's subject is mathematics, and our topic for today's subject is measurement of weight. Measurement of weight. Now, what are we to achieve at the end of the lesson? Now, at the end of the lesson, you can measure the weight of objects in grams and in kilograms. You can measure the weight of objects in grams and in kilograms. Very well. Now let's continue with the lesson. Measurement of weight in grams and kilograms. We are familiar with the terms light and heavy. By weighing, we can find whether the objects are the same or different in weight. We can use a beam balance to measure the weight of objects like cereals, vegetables, and other grocery items. A balance has two pans to measure the weight of a given object. We place the object on one pan, and on the other pan, the weights are placed. The weights are placed till two pans are on the same level. Balance has two pans. To measure the weight of a given object, we place the object on the pan, and on the other pan, the weights are placed till the two pans are on the same level. Now let's observe these pictures very well. The weight of the pan is balanced, or two pans are balanced. Now we look at the weight of a pen on our left hand side compared to 3 strawberries, and they are equal because the two sides of the balance, or the beam balance, are balanced because they have the same weight and the same level. Now let's look at that of the teddy and that of 4 bananas, and so we can see for ourselves that the weight of the teddy, or you can call it a teddy bear, is equal to that of 4 bananas. Very well. The weight of an object is measured in kilograms. Small quantities are measured in grams. 1 kilogram has 1,000 grams, which means 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. Kilogram is written as kg in short. So 5 kilograms is written as 5 kg. 8 kilograms is written as 8 kg. Gram is written as G in short. Gram is written as G in short. Very good. We are still on the measurement of weight. Now let's observe these pictures one after the other. Let's compare the weight of the banana to the weight on the left hand side of the beam balance. we can tell the weight of the banana from the weight on our left hand side. Now let's come to that of the ball. So we look at the weight on our left hand side, and then we compare it to that of the ball. The same thing, that of the strawberries, that of the take a careful look at the measurement of the weight, or the weight of the object on the left hand side, and as they are equal in level, or they are balanced, you will be able to identify the weight of the object on the right hand side. Do this as an exercise. Very good. Now let's move on. We come to the conclusion of our lesson. What have we learned so far? Good. We learned about measurement of weight of objects in grams, measurement of weight of objects in kilograms. We learned about measurement of the weight of objects in grams and in kilograms. Good. Now let's look at this assignment. How much more is to be added to the following to make it equal to 500 grams? The first one, we have 100 grams, and so how much more grams are we to add to 100 grams to get or attain 500 grams? We have 200 grams. How much more grams are we adding to 200 grams to get 500 grams? The same to 300 grams and 400 grams. B. How much more is to be added to the following to make it equal to 1000 grams, which is 1 kilogram? Don't forget, we said a kilogram or 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. And so we have 300 grams. How much more do we add to 300 grams to get 1000 grams? How much more do we add to 500 grams to get 1000 grams? The same as how much more do we add to 400 grams to get 1000 grams and 700 grams. Now C, which is heavier? We are comparing these weights in grams. 500 grams weight or 400 grams weight. 200 grams weight or 550 grams weight. Let me explain this a bit to you. With the first one, the 500 grams weight is compared to 400. That is 100, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 of 100. 100 repeated 4 times. Compared to 500 grams weight. Which one is heavier? You write it in the rectangular space provided over there. The same as 200 grams weight compared to 550 grams weight. 1 kilogram weight or for 200 grams weight. Yes, that is 200 grams repeated 4 times or added 4 times. Yes, 200, 4. As compared to 1 kilogram. Don't forget, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, and so we are comparing 1000 grams to 200 grams weight. Then 100 grams weight or 620 grams weight. That means 26 times grams weight. Now fill in the boxes. D. How many 200 grams blocks together weigh equal to 1 kilogram block? That is, if we have 200 grams how many of 200 gram blocks will weigh up to 1 kilogram block. Don't forget, 1,000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. And so how many times of 200 grams blocks do we need to get 1 kilogram block? How many 50 grams blocks together weigh equal to 1 200 gram block? So we are comparing 50. How many 50 grams blocks do we need to add together to weigh to be as heavy as 200 grams block? Put the answers in the box provided. Stay safe. Bye for now.